So good afternoon guys, we are at Futurz 4x4 once again and I am your friend Ashish. Today we are here with this lovely looking white color Thar. So we have done Promen bumpers, lights and headlamps on this vehicle with those side steppers, and we have also added wheel spacers in this. So we are here with the proud owner of this vehicle and who doesn't need any kind of introduction, Zulfi bhai, and he owns this Thar. So Zulfi bhai, how was your experience at Futurz 4x4?
It was fantastic. I just came this morning and it was done in like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And thank you Ashish, the service was superb.
Okay.
Your team is excellent team you have.
Thank you so much.
And you have a lot of good stuff for Thar and a lot of other Jeeps and all. Great.
Okay, and Zulfi bhai, how did you come to know about us?
See, I saw it on the Instagram.
Okay.
And I think you're quite famous in Bombay, Ashish.
Thank you so very much. Oh, not as you.
I was watching your pictures with Sunil Shetty and all these people. And
Okay.
I saw it on Instagram and I said, let me go. And it's quite close to my house.
That's nice. Yeah. So brother, where did you rate us from 1 to 10 in the service, in the products and all that?
From the pricing, the product, the service, I rate 10 out of 10.
Thank you so
I'm
very
very
much.
happy with your service and I'll keep coming back for upgrading again and again. So it's just a start.
Thank you so very much, Zulfi, for giving us an opportunity. We'll look forward to see you more. Thank you so very much.
Jack it up.